So, welcome back, friends. We saw a little bit of green in the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, and we have people saying that the market should bottom out by the end of this week, and we should be back to business next week onwards, and October should be a great start, and provided some other factors also help. Friends, this is a scenario where there is not only the rising bond yields, the rising oil prices, which are really shooting up by the minute now, and people are unable to fathom how long these oil prices will keep going up. We have scientifically determined that as well, how long this oil prices can go up. Coming to the US equity markets, it's not just the bond yields and the oil prices. And you can say, provided this holds and that holds, and you can continue that story. There are many commentators I've been reading, right, that keep talking about that. But there are some very big periods coming up in October and November, and take it from me, where the things can really shatter you if you do not know exactly in advance when those things are coming. And there will be a whole host of combination of events which will dictate the markets at those points of time. So it's not just bond yields and oil prices. Oil is on the boil, and there is no denying as it approaches the psychologically important level of $100 for the Brent crude. It's very close to it now, $97 at the time of recording the video. Even the American crude is hovering around $93, so that's also coming very close now. All this will and the gap between the two is also narrowing. So there are many things which are happening. Also, the 10-year yield is now at 15-year high. So the scenario which used to be disinflationary at some point of time is now turning into an inflationary one, at least from the headline inflation point of view. And combined to things, there's something else which people may not have realized. The over enthusiasm on the AI front, that could also start coming into question at some point of time. So there are many jokers in the pack. It's not just one, and all these will come to play shortly. Yes, whenever the markets are oversold, there is some technical rebound for a few days. That is always, and we have outlined the periods over October and November when that can happen, and also the next couple of days in September, the concluding days. More importance, I'm sure now you'll be giving to October, and we have outlined those periods when the rebound would be there, but there will be some very sharp days of sharp falls also coming up in October and November. No amount of technical analysis, marks, nothing will tell you that. Moving averages come to us will definitely tell you, based on our complex algorithms developed over 30 years of proprietary research, will tell you exactly those periods. You'll be shocked when those periods will suddenly come and the markets will get rattled at that time. To get to know more for the US markets, do not forget to join Prime or Prime Plus. The number to get in touch is 9820861044. And yes, before I conclude, I do agree, whenever the markets do get oversold, and right now the put call ratio is gone too high, so these do indicate short-term reversals that may take place. But take it from me, technical charts will not tell you. We have developed our own algorithms which will tell you in advance, give you those days also when the likelihood of a good fall are coming very close in October and November. Do join our Prime or Prime Plus. For the US markets, for the Indian markets, you should join Premium Plus, which will tell you nicely about where those big drawdowns are coming up in October and November. And we'll also tell you the reasons why those falls are coming. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.